Hey guys, give me about 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can boost your conversion sky high, how you can learn and earn more money online, how you can automate your daily tasks, how you can get more leads. So let's begin.
Welcome back to WP SmartLinks and congratulations on taking action today. You are just a few moments away from getting started with smarter links and click tracking, and I want to assure you that you now have everything you need to get the results you've always wanted. However, many of our customers feel that they want an extra level of link monitoring, so that's why I've created this video for you. We feel you need to be let in on the one thing that can stop you losing out on commissions and build a huge online income even faster. What you're about to see will reveal how the top affiliate marketers protect their affiliate commissions and links. Fair warning, before we get started though, you need to be quick. This is a special one-time offer for new members only, and it will only be available from this page. With WP SmartLinks, you now have your hands on arguably the most powerful link cloaker available today, and we're here to make it even easier for you. That's why we've put together this special upgrade package for you. Now let me start with a simple question. How many times have you created a promotion, bonus offer, blog post or video to promote an offer only to discover days, weeks or even months later that the link you've been sending your precious hard-won traffic to is actually dead, and all your hard work driving visitors to the offer is going to waste? This happens all too often, and it's essential to know as soon as an offer you're promoting is down so you don't lose out on your commissions, which is why we've created the SmartLinks Pro add-on for monitoring your active links. So let's take a look at the SmartLinks Pro link monitoring add-on right now. So here we are in the link monitoring settings with 3 options. The first being whether to actually monitor your live links or not. Then you can decide how often your links will be checked. Twice daily is a fairly good default, but you can choose shorter intervals if you prefer. And the third option is for a default alternative URL or page. Basically, when a broken link is detected, SmartLinks will then start redirecting the clicks on that link to an alternative page, so you don't actually lose any visitors. And this page can be anything you want. Here I'm just using a page with a selection of my best offers, but you can decide on what works best for you and your site. The system will also email you to let you know as soon as a broken link is detected, so you can check it out for yourself. Now if we pop across to the All Links page, you can see some examples of the error messages we get when there are broken links. You can see the type of error shown under each link that has failed, so you can work out whether it's a temporary problem and what can be done to fix it, or whether it's more likely to be a permanent error and you need to swap out an alternative offer for that promotion. And remember, if an offer has ended or totally disappeared for some reason, you can simply edit that link and change the offer to something else by just updating this link here. Although obviously in this example I'm using an actual dead link as an example. Now I'm going to scroll on down because there are 2 other things that we need to look at. One of which is the option to exclude a particular link from the link monitoring. If for some reason you don't want that link monitored, you can just tick this box. There's also the option for a very powerful timed redirect link. Now this is really useful for timed promotions. To give you an example, let's say that you know there is a product coming up that's going to be launched in a few days time, and you've already got your demonstration or review video done and posted on YouTube, and you want to send people to that video up until when the launch goes live. But once the offer opens and the launch is live, you want all the traffic going to that link to go to the actual offer page, the offer link. This allows you to set that up and automate the redirection. So the main link that we'd have set up above would be for the demonstration or review video. Then the link for the auto redirect will be the affiliate URL or the web page for the offer once the offer is live. Then all we need to do is specify what date and time that offer actually goes live. So I'm going to change this to the 4th of March at 09 EST and click on OK. So once our system hits that date and time, all the clicks on this link will be redirected to the auto redirect URL. In other words, we can set up our promotions ahead of time and don't have to worry about updating the link as and when the offer goes live. It can also be extremely useful if someone is offering a discount period for a particular time period. Again, we can redirect outside of that period. This gives you ultimate control over the timing of your redirects and your links. So by now you can see just how powerful the SmartLinks Pro link monitoring add-on is for protecting your traffic and commissions and giving you a new level of control over timed promotions and offers. Remember, this is a one-time offer for new members only, making sure you never lose your hard-won traffic to broken links and giving you a massive boost in commissions and conversions for all your smart links. Check the page below to lock in your upgrade today.
Don't wait another minute. Act right now. Spots are limited, and judging by the amount of traffic that we're getting as we speak, I think tomorrow you'll see a big sold out message on our page.